Hello ladies and gentlemen, it's Christopher here from Cars Unlocked. The 2018 Nissan Frontiers have arrived. Today we're at the Nissan compound. We're going to take you through the ins and outs of the 2018 Nissan Frontier. So obviously this Frontier is in the King Cab, okay? Seats up to 4. The exterior color is in the Glacier White. This specific one is the Pro4x edition, so that is Nissan's off-road truck. To give it a bit more rugged look, you do get the Pro4x decals here. Make it a bit more sporty and just lets everybody know that this is the Pro4x package. Features you get when you do go up to the Pro4x package are the Blistein shocks, electronic locking rear differential. You do have the skid plates and the splash guards. The skid plates on your fuel tank, your 4x4 transfer case. You get the fog lights on this package here. You can see the gorgeous Nissan symbol right in the front of our signature V-Motion grille there. Checking out the rims. On the Pro4x, you do get the 16-inch 6-spoked rims. It's a two-tone rim with the gray and the silver here. With the King Cab, you do get the 6-foot box. When you go up to the Pro4x, they do give you the factory spray-on bedliner here. And you do have the Nissan Utili-track that you see in a lot of their trucks. This is for anchoring all your cargo down, like your bikes, your four-wheelers, or any tools. You can put the anchors anywhere you want on these utility tracks. Checking out the power plan of the Frontier. This one is the 4-liter V6, as you can see. It's going to pump out about 261 horsepower. This one being the 6-speed manual transmission. It does come with Nissan's standard factory warranty, 3-year 60,000 kilometer comprehensive warranty and 5-year 100,000 for the powertrain. For fuel economy, this V6 you're going to average about 11.5 liters per every 100 kilometers. So it just comes with the regular Frontier key, standard in all the Nissan Frontiers other than the SL model. With the King Cab, you do have the regular driver's door, and then the rear door swings open from the inside there. Let's take a good look at the interior. With the Pro4x, you do get the upgraded interior and the nice Pro4x stitching throughout the seat. Gorgeous charcoal cloth on the interior here. It is an 8-way manually adjusted driver's seat and a 4-way adjusted passenger seat. The Pro4x, you do get this nice leather wrap steering wheel, which is going to come with your Bluetooth, your cruise control, and your radio controls right on the wheel. Another addition of the Pro4x package is you do get the 5.8-inch navigation screen. It's a large touch screen, so I can do my GPS, I can do my Bluetooth audio, my satellite radio, and then I do have my backup camera, which shows up as I put it in reverse. Does come with the Nissan Connect app, so you can do things like Google search, Bluetooth for your phone. It is a dual climate control system, so you can have each side hot or cold. Down below the heating, I do have my 4x4 switch, so I can switch to the 4 low or 4 high. You can go into the 4 high on the fly. And then I do have my heated seats and my rear sonar buttons down below, and my locking differential here. As I mentioned, it is a manual transmission. It's a 6-speed manual, gives you a little bit more control. Some people like the manuals, but I assume they're going to phase out the manuals in these Frontiers pretty soon. So this King Cab is really a 2-seater truck, but if you need to, you do have the option of having 2 people sit in the back. I wouldn't recommend sitting in here for a long time because there's not a lot of space, but I do have that option. This seat can move forward. The value here is having the extra cargo space in the back. If you're not using the seats, you can just fold them up, and there you can put whatever you need right underneath the seat. So thank you very much for watching a video. Don't forget, today we looked at the 2018 Nissan Frontier Pro4x. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to put something in the comment section below. And as always, hit that subscribe button.